show that union of sets is commutative. It means let A and B be the two sets, or assume the elements for your standard. So let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you have to show that what you have to show in order to prove that commutative property, A union B is equal to B union A dash. So find out A union B. A union B is equal to 1. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Union 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So union means write down this, all elements that are in A and B. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we write, and then all the elements of set B. Elements must not be, should not be repeated. That is 4 is there, you should not write. 5 is there, you should not write again. 6, 7. Okay.
7.
So this is 1. Similarly, find out B union A. So the 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Union set A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do we get again? Set of all elements B, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1. 1 is not there, you have to write again. 2, not there. 3, not there. 4 is there. 5 is there. Okay? So
Okay,
if you
sir.
arrange them in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is 2. So from 1 and 2, what we observe is A from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, we observe that A union B is equal to B union A. Therefore, union of sets is commutative. Okay. So we'll write down this. We'll give you the time. So let us see elementary wise proof. Okay. So let us suppose X belongs to A union B. This in turn implies X belongs to A or X belongs to B. You can also write X belongs to B or X belongs to A. This in turn implies X belongs to B union A. That means A union B, we have supposed first X belongs to A union B, and where we arrived, X belongs to B union A. That means A union B is contained in B union A. This is again 1. Similarly, let us assume this time that X belongs to B union A. This in turn implies X belongs to B or X belongs to A. This in turn implies X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This in turn implies X belongs to A union B. This in turn implies we have started it by assuming X belongs to B union A and arrived at X belongs to A union B. That means B union A is contained in A union B. So this is 2. From 1 A union B contained in B union A, from 2 B union A contained in A union B. Therefore, from 1 and 2, 1 and 2. You can say that A union B is equal to B union A. So this is what we have. This is called elementary one. If set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then ordinal number n of A is that. That is number of elements in set A. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 4. जितना एलिमेंट्स है वही लिखते हैं, 4 एलिमेंट है तो 4 लिखो. So A minus of B union C is equal to dash. So these are the half mark questions. Half mark questions. Objective question. This is a De Morgan laws of difference. So what you get is A minus B. Again, minus distributes over this union of sets. Not union means here intersection. A minus C. Similarly, what we get? A minus of B intersection C is equal to A minus B. Here intersection minus sign distributes over intersection means you get union of A minus. Okay, this is one thing. Here in a class now, if A and B are disjointed, n of A is 5, n of B is 7, and n of A union B are now. Disjoint sets means they are empty. They are common. They are not having any common elements. Common elements levu ante set A veru, set B veru. Set A lo 5, set B lo 7 unnai. So union తీసుకుంటే అంటే 5 plus 7 12. Okay. Here it is 12 elements we get. So actually we are also having the formula regarding that. N of A union B is equals to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. This is the formula. So if they are for disjoint sets ఎప్పుడైతే అంటారో this intersection part will be not there because it becomes 0. Common elements undavu kabatti. Okay. So what we get now we will see. Okay. I think one member has gone out again. That is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. So what do you get in the previous problem? Disjoint sets. So n of A plus n of B, that is 5 plus 7. How much you get? 12 there. Okay. So this is what we have. This 4 mark question. Let A equal to set of all element x such that x is an even number. B equal to set of all element x such that x is an odd number. C is equal to set of all element x such that x is a prime number. D is equal to set of all element x such that x is a multiple of 3. And you have to find first bit A union B, second bit A intersection B, third bit C minus D, and fourth bit A intersection C. Intersection C, and describe the sets in the set builder form. So for this, let us list out the elements of A, B, C, D, and then we find union of sets. Okay. So all of you note down, copy it up.
Okay, sir.
Now we are listing out the elements according to the given thing. It is A is equal to set of even numbers. Even numbers divisible by 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. set B is equal to odd number 1, 3, not divisible by 2, which are not divisible by 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is there, 11, 13, and so on. And C is the set of all prime numbers. 2, starts from 2. One is neither prime nor a composite number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 won't come, 10 won't come, so 11, 13, 15 won't come, 16 won't come, 17, 19, and so on. And a D, multiples of 3, 3 to 6 is 9, plus 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. Okay? These are the things. From this, we find out A union B. Okay. So what is A union B? So we have A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Union. Okay. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. Okay. For this, we have to take the union. That means we are including all those elements. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, comma, that is, and so on, comma. But you get again 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. This is what you are having, the elements in the union of these two sets. If you arrange, what you get, taking in order, here there is no common elements, you can see clearly. Is there any element? No. So
No, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, 11, 12, 13, and so on. So how can you write this set of all elements as that? Natural numbers. Okay, that means it is the union of odd number and even number is nothing but the set of natural numbers. It's an infinite set. Okay. Yes, set of all elements as that x belongs to n. So A union B is nothing but we got this thing. Okay. Next we go to A intersection B, second part. So I will give you the time to write. Okay, otherwise you write now only. Okay. A intersection B. This set of all common elements from odd number and even number. Odd number and even number. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Intersection taking weight 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So do you find any element common? 2 is not there, 4, 6, 8. So this set of even numbers, set of odd numbers. Even number can't be an odd number here, isn't it? So no element is common here. Okay. So it is empty or 5. Okay. So set of all element x is that x is not equal to x. So element 5, that is 5 can be written in the set builder form, set of all elements as that x as that x is not equal to x. So is there any other number? So intersection B, intersection taken with the set of even numbers and odd numbers. Nothing is common, so it is empty set of 5. Set builder form notation, set of all element x as that x is not equal to x. Okay. What we have is C minus D. So C is the set of all prime numbers. Prime numbers start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number. 11, 13, 14, 15, 16 are not done. 17 and so on. Okay. Minus multiples of 3. 3 to 6 is 9 plus 12 plus 15 and so on. Okay. So if you observe this, set of all elements of C will be there, but there won't be any element of this D. So what are the elements of D? They are the multiples. So do you find the multiples of 3 here? Except 3, 3 is only one thing common. And then other multiples what? 9, 6. 6 is not prime, 9 is not prime. So remaining are all not the prime numbers. So what do we get now? 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. Okay. That means set of all element x such that x is prime and x is not equal to 3. Okay. So they are getting all prime numbers except x is equal to 3. That is the thing. Okay. The fourth bit is A intersection C. A is the set of all even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Taking intersection with C, prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So what is the common thing? Here in this set, 2 is a prime number. Is there any other number other than 2? 3 is also prime number. 5 is prime number. Everything is prime number. So if you see this one, that is set A, in this, 2 is a prime number and even number. That is a even prime. The remaining all are even numbers which can't be prime numbers. That means 2 is only the even prime. So 2 is only one thing that is common in these two. So what we get is only 2. So we write in the set builder form, the following element x such that x is an even prime. Is an even prime. Okay. This is not done. If A is contained in B, then A minus B is equal to dash. So obviously you can see, अगर इससे हम A कहते हैं, A किसमें? B में. It is in B. So अगर हम A is contained in B, okay? So this is contained in symbol. So A B में है. Then A minus B. What do you get? A में से B को निकालो तो ये चले जाएगा. Okay. So what you left over? A में से B को निकालो. Is it empty? What does this A minus B contain? A minus B should contain the elements that are in set A and not in set B. Okay? So A में से B को निकालो. When you are taking out this B, total B has gone out. Nothing is left over there. It will be empty. Okay. So numerically, if you want, you can also show. So let A is equal to 5, 6 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we see 5 and 6 is in A. That is this A. A is 5 and 6 are also the elements of set B. Therefore, A is totally contained in this. Now find out A minus B. So how do you find A minus B? 5, 6 minus of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are bothered about the elements of A that are not in B. So 5 is there. So cut it out. 6 is there. Cut it out. We are least worried about these elements. So what you are getting? 5. It is 5. Okay. Yeah. So A is a set of all element x such that x square minus 16 is equal to 0, x belongs to real numbers. B is a set of all element x such that x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, x belongs to R. Then A union B is how much? And is it a singleton set? If it contains one element, it is a singleton. If it contains more than one and infinite, it is infinite. Only countable element, finite set. And now no elements, it is empty set. So let us see. A is equals to. So how do you find this? We solve for this x square minus 16. So how we solve? X square minus 16 is equal to 0 implies x square is equal to 16 implies x is equal to root of 16. So what do you get? Plus or minus, we get plus or minus, sorry, root of 16 is plus or minus 4. Plus 4 or minus 4. Because these are real numbers. So set A contains minus 4 and plus 4. So plus 4 को plus लगाना जरूरत नहीं है, लगाए तो फर्क नहीं है. And going to B equals to. So what is the equation we have here? B का equation solve करो. So x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So take the quotient of x square is 1. 1 into 6 is 6. 6 का factors करो. कितना आएगा? 6 का factors ये तो 3 2s. Okay. Minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, x square minus 3x minus 2x. If minus 5x, if you multiply minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 you are getting. Okay, equal to 0. So x into x minus, दोनों में कौन x निकालो, x into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So what you get is x minus 3 into common निकालो तो x minus 2 is equal to 0. So what you get is x is equal to 3 or 2. So what you get? 3 comma 2. So what you get now from these two sets, if you take the union A union B, if you take, what you get is we have to write elements of A minus 4 plus 4 and elements of B 3 and 2. Okay. So 4, that is countable elements 4. So it's not a singleton set, एक नहीं है, infinite भी नहीं होता, empty भी नहीं है. So it's a finite set. So what is the answer? So A union B is finite. Okay, now copy down the answers. 1 minute undi. Okay, na?